Imagine the roar of engines and the smell of burning rubber. Now picture women at the helm, shaping the world of DIY rat rod and drag racing. Since the early days of hot rodding, pioneers like Shirley Muldowney, known as the First Lady of Drag Racing, shattered stereotypes by dominating drag strips in self-built machines. But the story goes deeper. Across America, women in garages and backyards transformed junkyard finds into raw, inventive rat rods using whatever materials they could scavenge: old farm parts, household scraps, and thrifted treasures. These women didn't just race. They crafted rolling works of art, welding frames, tuning engines, and hand-painting wild, unique designs. Their ingenuity sparked new trends, inspiring others to experiment with DIY builds and push creative boundaries. In local drag contests and underground races, female builders and drivers claimed victories while earning respect in a male-dominated scene. Their legacy continues as more women embrace the rat rod spirit, proving that creativity, grit, and passion, not just horsepower, drive the future of racing.